sitting in Los Angeles watching a sunset running a technology company, you know, if one could envision that you would take that same company and put it in Green Bay, Wisconsin, across from Lambeau Field, would certainly raise some eyebrows. My name is Tyler Ellison, and my title is CEO and founder of ChemDirect. ChemDirect was started in Venice, California. Our company connects chemical manufacturers directly with customers. It also enables manufacturers that previously have abdicated all customer data to distributors, gives them insights and information that they've never enjoyed, that they do today. I'm a Wisconsin native, and we got to a point where we needed to fundraise. And so I went on the road show and went to Chicago and had interests on both coasts. And then I came to TitletownTech, and you know, starting a company, it's almost like nurturing a child, and having a common set of values matters.
Our biggest impact is when we get someone to come here and visit and see what we're doing and what our whole environment is like. I
got a very strong sense when I met with Titletown that they were aligned with the vision, and it wasn't going to be an Excel spreadsheet driven weekly discussion. It was going to be, what can we do, what introductions can we make to have your startup, you know, get to the next stage.
We invest in startups that are anywhere. We're not exclusive to those companies that will move here or that are already here, but we have a strong preference for those that we can bring here or support here.
In contrast to LA or even a lot of the West Coast hotspots, there's so much competition for talent that it's almost like it's a commoditized workforce, a transient workforce that can hop from cool startup to cool startup. And in our little petri dish here in Green Bay, we're one of the coolest things going on in the area from a technology standpoint.
When they meet our team, we have a really deep team in terms of talent and capabilities that covers networks from West Coast to East Coast and technology to marketing. And when people find and see the capabilities that we have as a group and the networks that we leverage, they're generally amazed.
As the technologist in residence at TitletownTech, I work with all of our companies that we invest in and help them with all of their technology needs and find ways to connect them in with Microsoft. With ChemDirect, we're looking at leveraging Azure for their web services and hosting the full marketplace on Azure infrastructure and continuing to build out their intelligent services.
Certainly TitletownTech helped the process of introducing us to the right people with the Green Bay Packers. And of course, it shortens the sales cycle dramatically when you come to you know, from a position of trust. So, you know, quote unquote, we are in the family. This unfortunate pandemic that we're all grappling with really was an opportunity that unintentionally dragged us into the industrial market segment. So the Packers and other big customers have been struggling through 16 to 20 week lead times, fulfillment rates that are sloppy. We've been able to supply them with their chemicals and flexibility that others simply can't. My skeptical friends they understand the appeal of the investor. So Microsoft and the Green Bay Packers, both extraordinarily large global brands. That combined with you know, the Packers being literally across the street, and when we are in the shadow of Lambeau, they all understood the appeal and attraction.
So it's really fun, actually, to be able to bring someone here when they have this initial skepticism or just intrigue, and show them what we have in this really special place.
You always take for granted, you know, literally you can drive anywhere in 9 minutes in Green Bay.
As someone who grew up in southeast Wisconsin, having the opportunity to relocate from Seattle back to my home state of Wisconsin, and not only represent Microsoft, but also be a part of this partnership with the Green Bay Packers and working with startups, was a huge opportunity.
As a founder, I would say that's the best decision I've made. You have unbelievable resources, you have unbelievable commitment, you have alignment of values, and you are again, you're a big fish in a small pond with the, you know, all of the tools that Microsoft and Titletown can bring to bear to help your business disrupt.